Hello again and greetings. Today we're going to talk about natural business relationships and the uniqueness and specificness of those and why we're doing it. What is a natural business relationship? That's the first question to answer. Natural business relationship is something which is important for the organization. It will connect or relate the core business concept in a way that the organization is talking about them or using them. And it should be unique and specific because any organization just will say, hey, this is how we see that our business concepts are connected to each other, how they relate with each other. It should be clear on its own. It should be completely clear if we see a relationship, what we mean with that relationship. And last but not least, it should be identifiable by the organization. People in the organization, people on the business side of the organization should be able to say, hey, I see this relationship, I can identify this relationship, it's clear for me, and that's what we try to do. Let's take a look at an example. If I have a car and a customer, and we can say, oh, a customer can be the insurer of a car, it can be the driver of the car, or just interest of the car. There are just three different kinds of relationships. But what are we talking about? What relationship do we need to have? How are we going to handle that one? And let's go to the whiteboard and to see what we're going to do. Okay, let's go further on the whiteboard, right? So we just discussed. We have a customer, that's our core business concept, it's our person. We have our car. And we were talking about, wait a minute, we have different kind of relationships. So what's going to happen? And also this is the agility of how we're working, right? What if someone says, yeah, you know, our marketing system, what we all capture is that people are interested in our car. Well, let's just put it in. It's a relationship we get, there's a car, there's a customer and they're interested. That customer is interested in that car. That's it. And then someone from finance says, hey, but we want to know who is paying for the insurance. So let's do insurer. Well, let's do insurer. Why not? It's a new relationship, right? So, hey, I have a customer and that customer is the insurer of the car. And last but not least, CRM says, yeah, we know who's interested, we know who's the insurer, but who's actually driving it? Well, you know what? Let's add our driver relationship. There it is. And the cool thing is, this is now perfectly clear. I have a car, I have a customer, and three different relationships. And I now build it up as saying, hey, marketing came first, then finance, then CRM came in. But if CRM was be the first one, hey, I would have car, driver, customer. This customer is the driver of the car. And then marketing. Yeah, but he's driving it. Is he also interested in the car before that one? Yes, sure, let's do this one. So on agility, it is just adding new relationship. So this is the way we're creating unique specific relationship. Let's go back to recap. Okay, welcome back. And this is kind of the recap of what I just showed you on the whiteboard, right? What we want to do with everything we do is we go from a story back to the model. So if we have a car and there's an insurer of the car, that's a customer, and a driver of the car and someone interested in the car, they are going to be modeled in Elm as three different relationships. So I have a car core business concept, the customer core business concept, and I have the insurer relationship, the driver relationship, and the interest relationship. That's the way we're going to model unique, specific, natural business relationship. And if there's a new one coming, we just add a new relationship. Everything is clear and specific and usable, identifiable by the business people. That's it. Thanks very much.